Hey listeners, NoTalkers, a show run by Divyesh. This show is for you people, featuring real stories of the people. In fact, you can be even guest to my upcoming episodes. Just look at the link in the description if you want to feature your own story in my upcoming episodes. It's you, whether you are struggling in your jobs, toxic culture, juggling moms, or even people who got laid off. But they all turn obstacles into opportunity. Life has to go on. Yes, they challenge their mindset, and the people who laid off back then now turned into startup advisor. Yes, the people who were struggling in the job now doing anchoring full time, and juggling mom turned into animator, learned blender in the late night, snatched the time. Yes, I am talking about those real stories of common people, where I am just voice to your stories. How did you land up to new product, new ideas, how you turned obstacle into opportunity, and how it can help someone, somewhere, how it can inspire to you people to find your own calling in this life journey.